Hello students. Once again welcome to your EVS2 period. Students, I hope you have done well in your EVS2 test and other papers also. Now let us begin with the new chapter, Life on Earth. Let us begin this period with a beautiful thought. A man of courage is also full of faith. Students, in the previous lesson, we have seen about concept of time and timeline. We also talked about Earth and that it was formed about 4.5 billion years ago. Now, in this lesson, that is life on Earth, we will see how formation of Earth took place and how life began. Students, sometimes you might be wondering about how and when Earth is formed. What might have happened? Was it always the way we see it today? Or whether it was different, and so on. So many questions might be there in your mind. On the basis of scientific research, it is now believed that around 4.5 billion years ago, an enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at great speed was formed in space. Its circular motion and great speed caused it to divide into several portions, thus creating the Sun and the planets which revolve around the Sun. The name of these planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, students, uh, 4.5 billion years ago, approximately, a huge cloud in the space, you all know there is various type of gases, dust particles. So all these came together due to certain phenomena and a huge cloud was formed beyond our imagination. Very big huge cloud was formed, and due to some physical interaction and certain phenomena, this cloud started spinning. It was moving in a circular motion. It was spinning around itself with very great speed. So all these particles and gases, they started spinning with a great speed and a huge cloud was formed. This spinning and the great speed, the circular motion, caused it divide into several portions. Now you might have seen when certain thing is spinning. For example, if you are holding a keychain in your finger and you are spinning it, so by mistake if it is coming out of your finger, it will be thrown outside. So in this way, several portion, it was divided into several portion. Various parts were formed. This gave rise to our sun and the other planets. So from this huge cloud of gases and dust particle, we have the sun and the other planets. So in this way it was formed. And those planets and the sun together is called as solar system. So our solar system consists of the sun at the center and the other planets revolving around it. And the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. You all know this? Yes. So in this way, now our earth was formed. Now let us see how the life began. Beginning of life on the earth. First, let us read the paragraph. It is given in your textbook also. You can go through it also. Among these planets, the earth is the only planet where life is known to exist. After the formation of the earth, it took about 80 crore years for its surface to cool down and for water bodies to be formed on it. It is believed that various kind of unicellular organisms or living thing first appeared in water. They are known as protozoa. Gradually, multicellular living things developed from these unicellular ones. The protozoa are so tiny that we cannot see with the naked eye. we need a microscope to see them. So let us see the beginning of life on Earth. So once the sun and the planets were formed, the solar system was created. But as it was formed with the cloud of hot gases and dust particle. So our Earth was also a hot ball with various gases and dust particle. So it is not possible for any life to exist there. The Earth's crust took almost 80 crore years to cool down. And after cooling, a thick crust, that is the surface of the earth, was formed. And slowly and steadily, water came into existence. First, it was just the hot gases and dust particle. Then it cooled down and the crust of the earth was formed. Students, you might be knowing that still the core of the earth consists of hot gases and molten magma. We have seen the volcanoes. When volcano eruption takes place, all the hot gases and the molten magma it is thrown out. So the whole earth was of that kind. But the outer layer it cooled down and we are having the surface of the earth where we live. After that, slowly and steadily, in the process of evolution, water was formed on the surface. And it is believed that various kind of unicellular organism or living thing first appeared in water. You can see here in picture protozoa. This protozoa, these are the unicellular organism. Now when we talk about any other living thing, for example, consider ourselves, our human body considers about n number of crores and crores number of cells. So this first protozoa, it was consisting of only a single cell. It is very minute. It is such a minute thing that we cannot see with the eyes. So we need the microscope. Here is the microscope. This is the picture of microscope. So we need to see it from this. Directly we can't see. So first living thing, that is protozoa, existed in the water. And slowly and steadily, as the evolution was taking place, gradually multicellular came into existence. And so on the other living things. So in this way, the first tiny living thing which existed in water is called as protozoa. It is unicellular. Keep in mind. Okay. And it is seen with the help of microscope only. And then we will see further how this unicellular, then multicellular, and now the complicated other living things came into existence. Students, go through page number 12 of your textbook. Read it very carefully. In next period, we will continue with the same topic. Thank you.